We are speaking about a web page with an edit button in every page. First, you have to register for many reasons, students and your colleagues' motivation. It's very easy. It's one of the most easiest tools. Thank you, event. Event is recording the meeting with external tools. Thank you very much. Through them you can together in a friendly and communicative way, teacher, parent, and of course your students. I don't want to here to read these general pedagogical advices and reasons for adapting, but I want to share you how that we are going to get started with this wiki. First, you need a username and a password. You can use even your school name of this wiki. First of all, you can have a wiki that everyone can view and edit. I don't recommend this type of wiki. It's better to have a protected wiki with common, forgive me. There are private wikis. I haven't edit this page. For educators, there are many possibilities. Editing page. In every page, you have to create every page. It's something like twin space page activities. You can see only the welcome message from the wiki spaces in the home page, and then you have to create page every page step by step. First, you have to edit, of course, the page. This is the key point about the wiki spaces. You can see a typical menu. Text editor, you have the common all text possibilities. And then there are advanced editing functions. If you know PBWorks, it's something, yes, it's I think for me it's the most easiest wiki for allow to have one or two just videos or presentation. Here we can have in our page everything. You have just to click on TV icon from the toolbar. Yes, we are speaking, Maria Giovanna, for about a virtual classroom. It's a Wikispaces classroom, the whole name. You can insert documents, PDF, presentation, docs. You have just to click, insert your files and upload. Of course, you know from your experience the common images, insert links, you have your hyperlinks. You can also have an external link. It works without problems, even for beginners. Using TV button, you can have your embedded widget. Of course, you can have any other. If you want support, your wiki is already done and you want to change pages, you want to change something, you can use navigation menu for edit navigation. Click on it, the space will open for you and you can make your changes. We choose these wiki spaces due to his collaborative character. So we need to have people apart from us in our wiki. We need first of all our pupils, our colleagues and pupils' parents. Now in a few minutes we'll go to see how it works in this possibility. Open invite people, use their email and send this this message from Wikispaces. If you don't want to use your pupil's mail, if there aren't emails, you can send to Wikispaces administrator a message. Please create for my pupils passwords, and they will send passwords. Type user 1 password 123, user 2 type 1234, and you can give to your pupils and enter your wiki. This is I'm speaking about. If you don't want to use mails, you can use other ways. Yes, it's free to make an effort. Even it's not a very good work for beginners. It works, believe me. Yes. It is as a possibility. Anytime, this is the most common type of permission, protected. And you can check anytime, you can give the permission to members that you call, and you can check their work anytime. You can also add a discussion board. After home and page, you can have, it's optional to have your discussion. As the other, you can have the edit page. Post your message and the title and click on post. You can, it's very interactive. Sometimes it works well. Sometimes we don't need this possibility. Of course, it's important to have the full management of your wiki. You can go from the home page to the above the navigation menu. It varies sometimes. You can add the new page. Click and just click again on edit button and have your new page. It's very easy. Then stacks. Okay. Anytime you can check changes from pages, discussion. You have just to check it. You can be notified of changes that of your Wikispaces members. This is something that most of us used to do it at the beginning, but anytime you have the possibility to make your changes about Wiki's preferences. Name, permissions, look and feel, colors, and members. You can add and delete members. You can change members' permissions. It's tax, sorry. Can you hear me? Give me a feedback because, okay, thank you. This is about preferences, all preferences in details, look and feel. I used to do this, at the beginning, but if I am getting bored with something, just turn and change everything. You can choose style, look and feel, even colors. This is about our description. We can use many wikis. There is a limited number till now. You have to be very careful because in some tools, spaces, there are updates every semester. I want to thank you and to check and give and stop to give the speech to my friend Iman. No, Nicoletta, it's not bendable because the website. There are very little, there are some differences, but it works.
So thank you, Oli, for this tool. So I learned it last month in a learning event. It's a very good tool for collaboration. So I will share you my screen to present you another tool, another Web 2.0 tool, which is the tool. First of all, I will show you a video that I have created by this tool, Powtoon, and that resume the different shortcuts used in this tool. Then I will explain to you how can we realize this video together.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much.
So I will start step by step. So as you see, so we have this tool, Powtoon. It permits you to create stories, videos, tutorials, and presentation. So with Powtoon we can insert text, we can insert an image, we can insert a sound.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you.
You can also insert an object, insert characters.
We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in with something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
Of course, with Powtoon we can change the layout, we can change the background, we can insert specials, we can insert graphics and some transition between slides, because Powtoon is like the PowerPoint, but it's online. There is a notion of slides. Each slide, in each slide you can insert many objects. So I will show you. I will show you the Powtoon. First of all, okay, thank you. So first of all, you have to create an account, like my account, using Google Plus or Facebook account or email, anything. So you have to create an online account. Then you will have your creation, your Powtoons. For example, I will click on edit, or you can start a new Powtoon, create. So I will continue with this tutorial. I will click on edit. So to obtain this tutorial, which is the video that you have seen. So we have the notion of slides. Slide number 1, slide number 2. Between each slide we have transition. So you can choose any type of transition. Then you can add a slide. So I choose this type of background of a classroom. This layout. Sorry, just this layout. So there is many layouts. You can choose one of them. Then after choosing the layout, you can choose a background to your presentation. There are many types of background. You can choose one. Then I choose this classroom. I will start on the first slide to add my objects. So I will start to add the teacher. So I will show you the first slide. I will show you the final first slide. How can we obtain this slide together? So there is a timing. There is a teacher, and there is a text. Hello, etwinners. Okay, and there is a timeline for each object. So how can we add an object? So by clicking on objects, And how can we add character? By clicking on characters. For example, I choose this character. Each character has many customs. The custom of hello, the custom of happy, idea, typing, thinking, sad, and angry. So each character has different customs, like the custom of the Scratch program. I choose this character to present the teacher. Then this character, I can modify it, I can resize it, I can move it. It's okay? Could you hear me? I need your feedback, please. Good, good. So I continue. So I can resize this object. I can change his custom. For example, I will change to happy. I can flip it. Okay. Then I will make him. Okay. Then this teacher has a timeline. Okay, for it starts from 1 sequence to 6 sequence. So I can start it from a 0 sequence by increasing the timeline of this teacher. Okay, then I want to insert an object, a text. Sorry, I want to insert a text like this text. Sorry. So like this text, hello etwinners. So I can add a title, subtitle, and sub-subtitle, and then you write your message. You write your text. You can format your text. You can change the color. You can change the font, the size. You can make it bold, italic, and underlined, and you can change the alignment of this text. Then, of course, each object has a timeline. Okay, you can resize or increase or decrease the timeline. Also, you can insert a sound to your slide or to your presentation. So by clicking on sound or and then upload. This is for inserting a sound for just one slide. But if you want to insert a sound for all the presentation, you have to click on this button, Sound Manager. Then you import. You can choose a file, sound file from this packet, from the package of the Powtoon, or you can import a file from your computer. Okay. Then you click on Apply. You can insert also an image. I will move to another slide. For example, this slide. It's the same persons, the same characters, but with different customs. And there is the object of a laptop. And this custom is typing. This object is typing on the laptop. So I will show you the final slide.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the.
So as you can see, we have many objects at the same time. So we have many objects. We have this text, then it disappear. This text disappear, and then another text and image appear together. Then the two objects, the two text and image disappear, and another object appears. So we will discover together how can we obtain this slide. Okay. Of course, we have the timeline. Each object can start on can start and disappear for small timing. So, for example, this object, it's a text. So it's a text. It permits you to create. It's a text. So I click on text. Then I choose add text. Okay. You can choose titles. There is many types of titles. Just 1 minute. Connection. There is a problem with the connections. No problem. Okay. So okay. Voila. So we have many types of titles, infographics, badges, etc. Then we have this text begin at 1.5 seconds and finish at 5 seconds. Okay. Then we have another text with image stories, which image that start at 5.5 seconds and disappear at 8 seconds. So you can manage your timeline as you like. This is an image that you can upload it from your computer. So by clicking on image shortcut, you click on upload image, and then you choose an image from your computer. Okay. It's okay? Could you hear me? I need your feedback. Shall I continue? Okay. Okay. Good. Then we have another object, which is videos. Okay, with an image. With the same method, you click on text to add your video, to add the text videos, and you click on image, then upload image to upload your image from your computer, and then you specify the timeline, specify the timing of your objects. Then we have another text and image, the same thing. So the same thing, we have a text box and an image that you have to upload it from your computer. This image, for all the image, you can process it. You can edit your image, position and scale. You can make effects. You can flip your image. Okay, you can move object, make animation, make motion path to your image. Then the same thing for all other slides. So this tool is the Powtoon is very easy to use it. Okay. After that, each time you add an object, you have to save it. You have to save your tutorial, your Powtoon. Okay. This Powtoon is saved on your account as my Powtoon. Before export your Powtoon, you can preview your tutorial, your video by clicking on preview. You can see your video automatically like a movie, or you can see it like a slide show, slide by slide. So you can make uh, and you can click I make the sound mute. You can make your video as a slideshow, and you have to click manually to move from one slide to another manually, not automatically. Then if you have any problem or anything like this image, you can continue editing to process your tutorial more better. Okay, so then you can export your before exporting there are other shortcuts like specials, like graphics, like like this. So I will show you some voila, like this. This is from objects, I think. Yes, from objects. By clicking on more, and you have also some other objects like this. Like this. Okay, you can add, you can make more, make your video more beautiful, more wonderful by using this object, more illustrative. You can also add some animated objects like this. Sorry. And you can process the animation of this object by clicking on animation settings. So if you want that the object appears without animation, so you click on no animation. Or if you want to play the animation for a limited number of times, you can choose the number. Or if you want to make the animation in loop, so you click on play in loop. It's the same thing for the characters. So you can process the animation, play in loop or play for short times, or without animation. You can make your characters without animation. Okay. Nicoletta, no, it's not difficult. Not difficult. Maybe at the beginning it's difficult, but if you use it many times, it will be so easy, I think. Okay. So after finishing your tutorial, your video, your slides, you can export your Powtoon by clicking on the button export. Okay, so you can upload your Powtoon, or download it, or share it. For the upload, you can upload it on Vimeo, on YouTube, or Wistia. In SlideShare, it's upgraded. It's not free. For the downloading, you can download it as a PPT file, PowerPoint, or as PDF file, but as MP4 is upgraded. But it's free when you share your Powtoon on Twitter or LinkedIn or Google Plus, or mail, by sending an email, or the most interesting thing is you can use the embedded code of your Powtoon by clicking on embedded. So you specify the title of your Powtoon. You have to make a specific title, an illustrative title. You can add description, you can add tags, you make the category of your button. There are business category, marketing, sales, training, education, personal, social, fun, events, and greeting cards. So I make it training. You can make it public, okay, for the privacy. Then you click on next button. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Yes, Olympia. Yes, Nicoletta. Okay. So then I click on share button. Okay, and you can obtain directly the embedded code. You make it on your TwinSpace, on your TwinSpace of the on the TwinSpace of your project. Then, or you can copy directly the link. You can share it directly on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on by sending by email, or you can obtain the URL. Okay, I have put the URL of this tutorial on the live event. Okay, and then you obtain this tutorial with character with the same character but with different customs, with many objects. Very beautiful tutorial, very beautiful video, very illustrative. That's what. If you have any question, is it clear? Nicoletta. Yes, Maria. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nicoletta. Thank you, Maria. Okay, so I will stop the sharing. So there is the I make the tutorial. Yes, Hannah, thank you. Yes, Hadi, thank you. Okay, thank you. So I make the tutorial, the link of the tutorial on the notes, under the notes, and I create an evaluation with the SurveyMonkey tool for for our live event. So I will share my screen to you to show you the SurveyMonkey that I have used. Okay, this is the SurveyMonkey. I create an evaluation forms using the SurveyMonkey. So I want for each partner in this live event to complete this survey about our live event, Oli and me. So I will stop the sharing. So I put the link of the SurveyMonkey on the note. So this is the link of the SurveyMonkey. So try to click on this link to complete the evaluation of this live event. Yes, Catherine, yes. Yes, we need time to play with to create tutorial with this tool. Yes, for all the tools. So I will make my microphone mute. Then I will send the barrel to Oli. Thank you.
I want to thank you all and thank my men for this event. Forgive me for my tiredness. I am really exhausted. But one motivates each other. I want to thank you for this event. And if in a way we can help you, send us a message, just a message. Thank you very much. All of we have, we are learning from each other. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.
Thank you very much, my friends. I'm very happy to join this live event and to be with you in this wonderful world of etwinning. Really, I'm so happy. Thank you. Have a nice night.